Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here any second now, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to watch GIMO out of the gate, so I will keep you updated. All right, I have an order in for 500 shares, 65.25. Just an introductory order here on QCOM. I was looking like it was getting somewhat close up there. So currently have a fishing order at that point. If it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll get the video rolling again. All right, I've moved that order up to 65.65. So let's see if we can get a break of 65.50 there. So again, this is just my initial entry point here, 65.65. Let's see if it can get up there or not. I'll let the video roll here a little bit. So we can try to at least capture the entry point on video. See if it can get up there. It's getting close. So close. Okay, I'm in. So I'll look to take either 13 cents or build bigger into this position. Again, just went in with 500 shares. So nothing huge. The idea here is to pick up some more shares. So just going to let this one trade out here a little bit here. Again, if it wants to pull back quickly and give me a quick profit, then I'll take it. But I mean, and I can start the process all over again. But I would like to, like I said, get some more shares here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it as it looks like it's kind of just at a stalemate right now. No, never mind. There we go. So I'll try for some more up there at 90. And I will pause it at this point. Okay, looking like I might get those 90s here. At this point, I'm just going to move that order up to 65.60. This one's not exactly acting. I mean, I still like it, but it's not quite. I'd like to see it a little bit more violent in its moves in either direction. It's kind of just slowly drifting. So we'll see if it can get down to the 65.60 area or not. So I'll go ahead and pause it again. All right, so what I'm going to do is just put a stop up there at 65.91. So at this point, like I said, not a big fan of how it's trading, so I'm not going to look to build. I'm either going to be wrong and it's going to stop me out, or it's going to roll back over, and I could potentially make a good chunk of change if it does decide to roll back over here. But given how it's been trading, as you can see, it's obviously tightened up here quite a bit. So I'm just going to play the range, and if it breaks in my range in the favor, I don't know how much I can make, but I do know now that if it breaks the range against me in the direction where I would be wrong, then I'm going to be taking a loss on it. So at this point, it's kind of a wait and see. Want to see it push back down through that pink line. That would get kind of the party started, if you would. But definitely a wait and see. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll keep you updated. All right, it's starting to work its way down. Going to try to get through 60, it looks like. And if it can, I will put my stop loss down there just to ensure a winning trade. But I need to see 60 on the offer before I move my stop loss down. So we'll see if it can break down through there or not. As I noted, that pink line is definitely being very stubborn. The price does not want to drop down below it. We'll see if the price can get down through or not. To be honest, the time value of money here, I'm not happy with at all. So I'm just getting out and I'm going to go trade something else, because the more I sit here, even if it does go my direction, it's such a slow mover that I can put my money someplace else. So minus $20 on that one. Let's see what else is out there. All right, looking to try to get some shares here, 42.75. And I'll just go with 300. Oh, nice. All right, let me keep my composure here. Going to be able to build bigger. So trying to pick some up at 43.15. And that far, or that quick, it's back down there. So I do have an order, and I'm out for $45. I like the way this one moves. So high of 43.21. Yeah, I'm going to keep those up there at 43.15, just 300 shares. I canceled it. I wanted 500, but you can go back and watch. It was just slowly 100, 200, 300, which shows that it's a very kind of choppier type stock. So I figured I'd just go with 300 there instead, and gave me the 15 cents. I wanted more, but I don't know. It's got a good chance. I realize that seems far away right now, up above 43, but you saw how this one moved, so pretty quick. And at the end of the day, my loss has been wiped away. And the whole goal here as a trader is always to make things unimpressive. Hopefully you're sitting there like, dude, who cares? It was 20 bucks that you had to wipe away. When wimpy, quote unquote, wimpy $45 trades wipes away your loss and puts you in the green, that's the name of the game. If you have to trade impressively, if you have to trade like a superhero to wipe away your losses are too big. That's a very easy way to measure that. But if you can wipe away your losses with just with a with a $45 wimpy trade, then that's what you really want to do, because that suggests that you're controlling your losses. You're not letting anything spin out of control. But the time that you need to put on your Superman cape or your Batman outfit to go get yourself out of a losing trade, or to dig out of a hole, something's not quite right with your trades in the first place. So let's see if it can get back up there to 43.15. Again, just 300 shares. I will keep you updated. It is now 30 minutes into the day, and I'm up $25. So not the best morning. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you've seen $300 in a couple of minutes, $400 in 30 minutes. Here I am at 30 minutes and $25. So note, not every morning is going to be fantastic. It's not going to be raining money from the sky. I'm feeling a little frustrated just because, I really liked Qualcomm. It started off, I was pretty excited about it. And then, you saw how that trade just kind of unfolded. NBIX, still, I like the potential in this one. But still work to be done on it. So I'll keep you updated. But by no stretch of the imagination has this been some, just life-changing morning or anything. While I'm thinking of it, the big question I get with these live trading videos, hey Clay, how are you finding these setups? How are you finding these stocks to trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I am using to locate these setups that you see me trade. So if you're interested in that, you can click right there and I will email you the guide. So like I said, if you think it could add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead, click right there. Good risk versus reward. The risk is a few moments of your time. It's very straightforward. It's not going to take you 3 weeks to read. So risk is it's a total waste, and you waste maybe 15 minutes of your time. The reward, maybe it really helps you out. So I think it's a very good risk versus reward scenario. Still searching for some trades, so let's see what else is out there. Okay, looking to pick up some shares here at $6.20 on GLBS here on this pullback. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. I will pause it, but I do have an order currently down at that level. Have an order at 50.85 right now. Want it to keep on rising up. Whether or not that happens, we shall see. But current order at 50.85 on FAST. Just to kind of illustrate the type of morning it's been, here's GLBS. Hopefully you remember me when I was trying to buy on that red candle right there. It just didn't pull back enough, so I never got filled. And now you can see since, I tried to buy when, people were panicking right there, the price has since gone, all the way up there. So just kind of a little example of one of those mornings where your entry points just aren't quite right, and that just comes with the territory. But with that being said, it is now officially 1 hour into the day, and I have been full bore. Sometimes I get distracted by my kids or whatever, but this was not the case here. I was actively searching, actively hunting, and just kind of struggled this morning. And not a great morning by any stretch. So I am up $25 after the first hour. It is what it is. I apologize for kind of the boring video, but I mean, it's realistic. So if you want more excitement, then just go through the playlist. You can see plenty of other videos where, the dollar amounts are a lot bigger than $25. But let's keep it real. And not every morning can be, monster moves, monster dollar amounts in very short amount of time. These types of mornings also exist. And from a channel building perspective in terms of wanting to get more subscribers, I know these videos probably don't help out the most, but whatever. It is what it is. This is how it goes sometimes. This is just how the cookie crumbles. So if you enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you didn't enjoy it, give me another chance. Go back and look at some of the other playlist videos. I assure you there's some more exciting ones there. But just please realize again that not every morning is going to be like those that you see, because that's the whole point of this, just to show kind of a variety of what you can expect as a trader. So if you want to trade alongside me and other members, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer a private trading chat room. That's called the Inner Circle. If you want to learn how to trade with charts and manage risk with charts and all that good stuff, again, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer training courses there. Thank you as always to you subscribers. Thank you definitely to those that hit that like button. I will see you back next week. And if you have a morning like this, just know that it happens to everybody. No need to get down on yourself.